The incorporation of the Nigerian Stock Exchange on September 15, 1960, and subsequent commencement of trading on June 5, 1961, was premised on a clear mission: to promote increased capital formation in Nigeria by providing issuers and investors a responsive, fair and efficient stock market through competent and dedicated professionals using the latest technology, thus assuring local and foreign investors access to the Nigerian stock market with confidence both in the regulatory framework and in the reliability of trading and settlement systems. The exchange has never wavered in this fundamental objective.
I feel very proud to be the sole surviving founding father of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. It's always a matter of joy for me.
Its 46 years of operation has recorded an enviable progression in deployment of state-of-the-art technology for enhanced efficiency and transparency.
I joined the stock exchange, Nigerian Stock Exchange, when it was the Lagos Stock Exchange in 1976. And at that time, the literacy level, when I talk about literacy now, I mean the understanding of what a stock exchange is all about, was very low, even within the government cycle. Up to today, people still think money is just cash. And two, we had a serious problem of the infrastructure. The telephones were not working well, and of course there was no light.
At inception in 1961, the exchange operated manual trading system called the call-over system, also known as open outcry.
A lot of people have forgotten that even before we started the call-over system of open outcry, we, in the then NIDB building on Broad Street, we used to write on the blackboard with chalk the names of the companies, and then stockbrokers would bid or offer shares they want to sell verbally, and somebody that wants to bid will scream, and then it's written, the price is written on the board, and then after the transaction takes place, they wipe that one and go to the next company. And that was the rudimental manual trading.
It commenced this trading system at 114 Broad Street, Lagos, and later moved to the then NIDB House, now the Bank of Industry, and finally its self-owned building called Stock Exchange House, where we are celebrating today.
We computerized the operations of the exchange, did the index, so we were able to print out the daily official list, which the stockbrokers used to trade in the format of a computer. And they were trading from that daily official list, but what we call the open outcry.
As a dynamic and proactive organization, the exchange on April 14, 1997 commenced its clearinghouse, the Central Securities Clearing System Limited, CSCS, which provides for electronic clearing, delivery, and settlement of all transactions in line with the global best practice.
One of the greatest things that I have seen in our market today is the introduction of the automated trading system. And this has greatly enhanced volume of trading, enhanced transparency, and increased accountability in our market.
The CSS was the guinea pig in terms of the exchange trying its hand on electronic transactions. And the CSCS project worked and worked very well. So the exchange now introduced the automated trading system, and this has worked and worked very well also. So with the CSCS and the automated trading system, the market has gone really, really global.
In what amounted to a full-blown automation of its operations on April 27, 1999, the market transited to the Automated Trading System, ATS, which is basically electronic trading, as required for membership of the World Federation of Exchanges.
I see a lot of sophistication in the product offerings, which will be accommodated in our market. I see liquidity improving significantly in our market. I see the vision of Nigeria to be one of the top 20 economies in the year 2020 being actualized in our market.
This trading floor now, we are very proud, is at par with New York, Tokyo, Paris, and in fact, without being immodest, I can say that it's even better.
The market will continue to grow from strength to strength, continue to grow. We expect that the Nigerian Stock Exchange will be the biggest and the best in Africa, considering the human capital that we have, considering the technology that's been introduced on a continuous basis.
Thereafter, the exchange commenced remote trading, online and real-time, whereby stockbrokers have an option of trading from their offices.
The Nigerian Stock Exchange should be congratulated for such a development over a very, very short period. And I think also that we have to congratulate Nigerians that they have actually accepted the stock exchange as a means of investment. And really that what we do hope really is that there will be more and more companies or securities that will be quoted on the stock exchange.
The Nigerian capital market will further deepen, and we are just at the beginning of things. The volume and the market capitalization of the Nigerian stock market in the last 4 years have almost tripled where we were in 1996, and we see that 8.1 trillion in market capitalization today may even double next year.
As a fallout of the automated trading system, the exchange, which commenced trading with 19 listed securities in 1961, now boasts of 250 securities worth over 9 trillion naira. Also, public confidence in the exchange has risen to unprecedented levels.
Members of the stock exchange are aware of the need to maintain the highest possible standard of integrity and honesty in their dealings. As we always say, my word is my bond. And it has been so with quite a lot of the dealings that have been taking place on the stock exchange.
The relevance of the new trading floor is better appreciated against the backdrop of having a multiplier effect on efficiency of transaction. This is in consonance with the global best practice. Indeed, the exchange's trading floor symbolizes strength and competitiveness of a major player in the global market. It will no doubt continue to open new doors to Nigeria's economic development.
Everybody can see that the trading floor we have today is actually really world-class, cosmopolitan, as our president of Nigeria called it.
In all the list of prayers I make daily, the Nigerian Stock Exchange is one of them. And I'm happy that we have hardworking members of staff. Come rain, come shine, strike or no strike, that market is always there working.
The visionary leader of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Umaru Musa Yar'Adua, GCFR, saw these and more, thus declared, "I will be very proud to commission the new cosmopolitan trading floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange in Lagos."